Okay, so once I got inside, I sat in her chair and I took my bun out, and then she kind of just like looked at my hair, looked through it, I guess just to see what she was going to be working with, and I guess to see how long it was. And then we moved to the sink, and then she went ahead and washed my hair. And I haven't been to the salon in so long, like literally, oh my gosh, I think probably since 2011. That's the last time I let someone do my hair. So it was so relaxing actually having someone else wash my hair for me, you know? Also, I wanted to mention that I live in the Houston area. So if you live in the Houston area as well and you wanted to get your hair done, just DM me on Instagram and I can send you over her information. She doesn't have any social media. I think she's kind of shy. She didn't want to be filmed either. So if you were interested in getting your hair done, just hit me up on Instagram. Okay, so once she was done washing my hair, she just wrapped it in a microfiber towel, and then we moved back to the chair. So thankfully my hair was pretty much detangled when I went in there, so she didn't have to do too much detangling. I really liked her brush. It was like a really big brush, and it just basically like went smoothly through my hair. Okay, so after she detangled all of my hair, she just started to do twists. So she did the twists all throughout my hair before putting me under the dryer. Okay, so after she put me under the dryer, she went ahead and went on her lunch break. And here I was just gonna try to show how she had my hair for the drying part, and I couldn't figure out how to put the top back down. I was like freaking out because I was like, I don't know how to do this. We about to get in trouble, but we figured it out. Okay, so I sat under the dryer for probably like 15 or 20 minutes, and then after that she came back and then she started to blow dry my hair. And she did it like section by section, so each twist, like she would take out one twist at a time and work on that one twist. So she also told me that when she blow dries, she likes to blow dry it like so it's really smooth and not frizzy, because once it's flat ironed it'll be smoother, something like that. So yeah, so how she blow dried it, she used a round brush and just blow dried it like that. I have a round brush and I've tried to blow dry my hair like this, but I'm really not that good at it. I can't do that wraparound that she's doing. My hair just gets tangled up. But like, it looks so smooth. Like, it looks basically like she just flat ironed it after she was done blow drying it. It looked so smooth and so straight. Okay, so this is how my hair looked after she was done blow drying it. And here she's just trying to see which side I want my part on. And I decided to go with the middle part. Okay, and here she was just looking at my ends. She was letting me know that she would end up probably needing to cut some of it off because I had some split ends, and I was fine with that. I knew my ends probably needed a trim. Okay, so she sectioned off my hair, and then she has a small section and she's going to start flat ironing it. She told me the name of the flat iron that she uses, so I'm going to see if I can find a link to it and put it in my description box if anyone was interested. And so she's just taking small sections and she does the chase method. Okay, so right here I zoomed in so you could see that some sections she actually used a really small flat iron so she could get my edges really, not my edges, my roots really close up, and then she switches to the other flat iron, like the normal size flat iron. And she's just continuing to use the chase method. Okay, so after she was done flat ironing it, she got me to stand up, and then she showed me where she thought that it needed to be cut, and I told her yes, that was fine. And so then here she's just like trimming off my ends, the parts that were a little bit thinner, and just making it all even all around, because I actually haven't had a professional cut since like 2011, so it's been a really long time. So only I have actually put scissors in my hair, so it was nice to actually get it all evened out, which it wasn't even too bad if I say so myself.